And so in the budget, we accept that the situation is tough for many households and families out there. Even though inflation is coming down from the high in energy of 2023.
Please.
Sorry, in terms of where it was, it's coming down. Come on. 21, 22, 23. We need to be upfront with people here.
So, Taoiseach, all of the bragging in the world from you does not alter the fact that 250,000 people of families will reach out to the St Vincent de Paul for help. I'm glad your benches find this amusing and that your would-be successor is grinning like a Cheshire cat. Meanwhile, we have this exchange. I have to tell you, I don't find it funny. I don't need you to mansplain the economy to me. I don't need you to dodge and evade a simple question. I've asked you about energy credits. I have set out for you the reality that people are now fearful, that people aren't turning on their heat, that the heart is crossways on people opening their bills. That's the reality. Now, it may not land with you. I don't know what reality you live in, but I know who I represent in here. And I represent families that are struggling. I represent working people that are struggling and that are now fearful that they can't make their bills. I've asked, will you restore these energy credits? I would like a straight answer to that precise question.